In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer from Zoho Books, a simple yet crucial task for managing your accounts effectively. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. We'll begin by opening Zoho Books. You can do this simply by heading over to their website and logging into your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you log into the one where you need to make changes. Once you're in, you'll notice the full suite of features Zoho Books offers to help manage your finances. It's a robust tool, especially if you're running a small business, and keeping it organized is essential. Now that you're logged in, we need to navigate to the Sales section. You can easily find this in the main menu on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Sales, and you'll be presented with several options related to your sales transactions. From here, go ahead and click on Customers. This is where Zoho Books keeps a record of all your existing customers, along with their transaction details. Once you're on the Customers page, you will see a list of all the customers you've added to Zoho Books. To make your selection easier, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to locate the customer you wish to delete, especially if you're dealing with a long list. When you've identified the customer, check the box next to their name. This action selects the customer and activates additional options you can perform. Next, you'll notice there are 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options icon, located in the upper middle section of your screen. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu of extra options. In this menu, you'll find the option to delete. It's important to be sure about removing this customer from your records, as this action cannot be undone. Double-check if you have all the necessary transactions documented elsewhere, because deleting a customer will erase their transaction history from Zoho Books. Finally, click Delete, and just like that, the customer has been removed from your list. This step is especially useful for decluttering your records by removing inactive clients or any trial entries you no longer need. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to delete a customer from Zoho Books, ensuring your records are always current and manageable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful walkthroughs tailored to making your business operations smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.